How to add clock widget to your home screen on Android. Now in order to do that, just simply open your device and go to the home screen and select the home screen for a while until you see these options. Now in here, you just simply need to select this option of widgets from right here, tap into that and then scroll down until you see this option of clock down here. Tap to clock option and then it will give you the option of analog clock, digital clock and dual clock in here. Just simply select the clock type which you would like to add in your home screen. For example, let's try adding the analog clock from here. In order to add any of the clock, tap into that clock widget and then it will give this option of add. Tap to add button and now after tapping in the add button, it will add the clock like this in your home screen. You can also maximize or minimize the size of it according to your need. Now this is how you add a clock widget to your home screen on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.